say, don't break on me. Alright guys, welcome to one day out. It's the next day. What is it? Just coming up to midday, and this is the life of a bodybuilder. We're staying overnight and I've got all this stuff with me. But yeah, we're just about to load up the car and then we're heading off to our Airbnb. So let's do this, guys. We're here. Also as well, first things first, priorities. We need to find a Costa en route to grab a coffee. As you can tell, my brain's not functioning this morning. I'm tired, anxious, nervous, stressed, bit of everything. But yeah, first things first, find a Costa, grab a coffee, give me some caffeine to wake me up a little bit, and then yeah, we'll be at the apartment. So catch you guys there. Right guys, so we're en route now. Costa coffee acquired. Literally just uploading a post right now on Instagram. If you don't follow me, you can. The link is in the description below. Pretty much I've done daily updates recently in regards to physique update, and then also we're just uploading the 2 days out YouTube video, so that'll be going up this evening at 6 p.m. So obviously by the time you're watching this one, you've already seen this video, part one of the show weekend. So yeah, I'm going to crack on with this. Other than that, there's nothing else really for me to do. I'm not going to pretend that I'm extremely busy and I'm still working and grinding. All of my work has been done in terms of my coaching check-ins. I got that all done in the week so that I actually had the weekend to myself and focus on myself. So yeah, I'm just going to post this Instagram post, upload the YouTube video, and then pretty much relax until we arrive at the apartment. So I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Well, we finally arrived. A little bit of a stressful situation. The plan was I needed to arrive around about 2 o'clock, actually a little bit earlier than that, because my last lot of fluids are going in at 2 o'clock, and that will be 500 ml of water in my pre-workout meal right here, and then 500 ml of water during my intra-workout when we go to the gym for the upper pump session. But we arrived early, and unfortunately the apartment isn't ready in terms of it still needs cleaning, but they very kindly let me in to use their kitchen facility so I could actually prepare my pre-workout meal and then come back into the car, and that's the reason why we are in the car. But as for the actual pre-workout meal, at the moment what I'm doing is every meal I'm doing 100 grams of carbohydrates and then 20 grams of fats, and then approximately an hour after that meal I'm just going over my conditioning. I'll get my girlfriend to have a look over as well, just to see whether I'm flat, I'm full, maybe overspilling a little bit. But at the moment, the 100 grams of carbohydrates with 20 grams of fat is just working nicely. But as for the actual meal and what the contents are, we've got 125 grams of ground rice, we've got 45 grams of dark chocolate, and 250 grams of fruit. It was meant to be frozen fruit, but unfortunately it's semi-frozen now. And then we've got 2 grams of sodium. So my sodium is going to start coming down now. So the first meal was 4 grams of sodium, then it went to 3 grams of sodium. Now it's going to be 2 grams, and then potentially I'll take out sodium altogether in my remaining meals of the day. But as always, everything kind of works in an ad hoc fashion. I will assess my physique, I will assess what's going on, and then I will make the adjustments as it goes from there. But yeah, I'm going to get into this meal now, try and de-stress a little bit. We're here at the apartment. We're just around the corner from the actual venue itself. Once we actually have access inside, we'll do a little tour of the apartment, and then yeah, anything else that I feel like needs to be captured on here, I'll do so for you. But catch you guys in a little bit. Oh, lovely. Alright guys, so just got back from the gym. I literally just spent like 45 minutes in a pure gym getting another upper pump session done. Back at home, obviously in the apartment, and the next meal on the plan is 2 salmon fillets and then a couple bits of veg. We've got the asparagus and the tender steam broccoli in here, and just some black pepper, no sodium this time, and obviously no carbohydrates. I just feel like we're at the point now where I don't need any more carbohydrates. I look really full. Adding in any additional carbohydrates now will potentially result in me overspilling. So we're just going to be doing protein, fat only meals for this one, and then potentially another meal which will be the same, not in terms of the food content, but it will be the same in terms of the macronutrients, just protein and fats only. But yeah, I'm going to dig into this because I've still got a lot of things that I need to do. I need to get my hair cut done, I need to get my second base coat on, but what I will do is I will finish eating this and then I'll give you a quick tour of the apartment, and then potentially wrap it up from there for part 2 of this video. But I'm just going to dig into this. As you guys can tell, again, my brain's not functioning, tired, stressing out a little bit, but yeah, I'm just going to dig in and I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so I don't know why I'm actually doing this, but I know a lot of people like to see the apartment that people are staying in, so it's gonna be boring, but you guys like it. So without further ado, let's do a gym tour. Let's do an apartment tour. Not a gym tour, an apartment tour. So we've got cupboard 1 and cupboard 2.
No, that's a bathroom.
That's literally just a cupboard. There's nothing in there of interest. This is, Amy corrects me, it's a bathroom, not a cupboard. So yeah,
I tested out the bath, it works.
There's a bath, there's a sink in case people don't know what a sink is. You've got the toilet and some toilet roll on top of it.
Some Radox shower gel.
I should have known that that was a bathroom because I literally just had a piss in there. This is the master ensuite bedroom. So this will be mine and Amy's room. Obviously that's the beds where no magic will happen because mine's things all shriveled up. And then this is the ensuite shower. So again, for people that live under a rock and don't know what this is a shower. You've got the toilet, another sink, cool little shelf with a fake plant on it for effect.
Runway, planes. Amy loves planes.
There's a runway over there. And then we've got a wardrobe.
I thought it was a mirror.
This is my mother's bedroom. So just another bed, another wardrobe. And then that's another cupboard, absolutely nothing in there of interest. And then this is the kitchen. So we've got obviously everything for my prep. We've got the microwave, we've got scales, we've got the condiments, we've got obviously Strong Sports supplements. They come with me everywhere I go. And then my other minerals and vitamins. We've got a lovely sink here. We've got even a washing machine. We've got the cooker where the actual real magic happens in terms of cooking food. We've got the oven, we've got the fridge. As always, like they do on the MTV Cribs, you've got to look inside the fridge. So in our fridge, we've got some water, we've got some strawberry trifle, which is not for me, it's for my mother and Amy. And we've got some salad, also not for me. Some monsters for Amy. These are for me, post-show. For any of you guys that follow me, especially on Instagram, will know that this is the OG drink out there. And don't at me. We've got other cooked food, so we've got some rice, salmon for in the morning, some cooked chicken, which will be my last meal today, some uncooked chicken, which I need to cook, some vegetables, a steak. That was like an emergency reserve if I needed it for my last meal today, but I doubt I'll be using that tonight, but obviously I can use that at a later date. And then we've got the goodies, which again are not mine. Those are for Amy and my mother. Dining room table. And this is the living room.
Give us a wave, Mum.
What I like to call the creator of me. She created me. And I'm very grateful of that. And then last but not least, my father. Wherever I go, when I'm going to compete, I always take my dad with me. So it feels like he's here. You know, the essence of his spirit is there just to help give me that motivation and encouragement for tomorrow. But that's pretty much it. To wrap it up, like I said earlier, I'm just gonna get my hair cut because obviously I can't step on stage like this. We're gonna get the base coat done. I'll get my last meal in approximately 9 PM, which will be, I think, just some chicken and veg, and that's gonna be it. But that is the gym, I've done it again. I said gym tour. This is the apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Alright guys, so Amy's just making me look pretty now for tomorrow, but essentially we're going to end today's video here because there's not really much else that I have planned for the evening. I say just going to get my haircut done now, then jump in the shower, do my second base coat, get my last meal in, which is just going to be 100 grams of chicken, and then I'm going to switch off, watch a movie, and we're going to stick on Avengers Endgame for tonight, because no doubt I'm not going to be able to sleep a wink. So that's my plans. I hope you enjoyed today's video, part 2 of the 3 videos, and of course I will see you in the morning for part 3 show day. See ya.